Whether you're planning on camping or just having a picnic in the backyard, a folding camping table can be a lifesaver. You can use it as a workstation or as a place to enjoy food and drinks after a long day of hiking and exploring nature. And, if you're bringing kids along with you, it can be a great place for them to play games while you kick back and relax. Compact and lightweight, these tables are easy to transport so you can take them anywhere, anytime. With so many different models of folding camping tables, it can be hard to decide which one is right for you. To help make your next adventure more enjoyable, we've researched and reviewed the top folding camping tables of 2023 to find out which ones are worth their weight in the wilderness. Number 1. Red Camp Folding Camping Table. Tired of having to lug around a heavy, bulky table? With this Red Camp Folding Camping Table, you won't have that issue. Made of heavy-duty aluminum, this folding camping table features U-shaped side supports and a safety latch that adds to its stability and durability. Weighs 9 pounds, holds up to 70 pounds. This lightweight folding table is convenient to take for camping trip, travel, outdoor concert, sports events. When fully unfolded, this compact table features a wide countertop to accommodate crockery, food and drinks. Perfect for tailgating and picnics, this camp table has a telescoping design that allows you to adjust the height of the table from 15 inches to 28 inches. Weighing only 9 pounds, this table is lightweight enough to carry with ease yet sturdy enough to hold up to 70 pounds of items. Because of its exceptional durability, remarkable design and hassle-free setup, this folding camping table is our best overall pick. Number 2. King Camp Folding Camping Table. The King Camp Folding Camping Table is a minimalistic table for any camping trip. Made from environmentally friendly bamboo, this folding camping table is wear-resistant and flame-retardant, which is perfect for campsite barbecues and cookout parties. The folding table legs are adjustable to 3 heights: 18.9 inches, 22.4 inches, 27.6 inches to suit for standing or seating at different chair heights. You can adjust the feet knob to stabilize camp table when the grout is uneven in outdoors. With an adjustable height range from 18.9 inches to 27.6 inches and an exceptionally strong anodized aluminum structure, this multifunctional camping table is sturdy enough to accommodate up to 176.3 pounds of weight without bending or breaking. Lightweight and portable, the two-fold collapsible design of this folding table makes it easy to carry and store. Whether you plan on playing cards all night or having a delicious feast, this table will serve you well. Number 3. Campland Folding Camping Table. Whether you're setting up for a weekend at your favorite campsite or you're looking for a new way to entertain guests at your next barbecue, this folding camping table will add both function and style wherever you put it. Featuring a durable medium-density fiberboard (MDF) tabletop and a 19mm aluminum frame, this folding camping table can hold up to 66 pounds of delicious food and drinks without tipping over. Collapsible camping table fits into a convenient carrying case, making it simple to bring along for trips to the beach, park, or campground. With this table, you'll be able to enjoy all the comforts of home, no matter where you go. What's more, it comes with 600D Oxford cartons that can be attached underneath the table to expand storage space and store all sorts of condiments, beverages, crockery and grilling accessories. With a hassle-free assembly, it is easy to set up and fold up after use, making it perfect for any size tent or campsite. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty. Number 4. Coleman Folding Camping Table. Whether you're camping, going on a picnic or heading out for a day at the beach, this folding camping table from Coleman will make your outdoor experience even more fun. Constructed out of heavy-duty aluminum, this folding camping table has a sturdy steel frame that provides optimum stability and protects it from the elements. Weighing less than 10 pounds, this ultra-compact table offers ample serving area and enough seating for 4 people. Thanks to its snap-together design, you can set it up or take it down within seconds. Plus, it comes with a carrying case for easy portability and convenient storage. Number 5. Portal Folding Camping Table. Built for uneven and bumpy grounds, this folding camping table is the perfect accessory for your next outdoor excursion. With an exceptional weight capacity of 66 pounds, this table is sturdy enough to handle large meals or heavy gear. It even has a large mesh pocket underneath to store crockery, gadgets and cooking utensils. Featuring a snap-lock design and collapsible joints, this folding table can be quickly set up or folded down to fit in your backpack. The tabletop is sturdily built with a combination of steel and ultra-lightweight aluminum, making it weatherproof and rust-resistant. Plus, it features a telescoping frame, allowing you to adjust the height of the table from 25.6 inches to 29.9 inches according to your comfort level.